about the drill.
You want to explain what the drill does?
It spins.
Here, do you want to show the code to me? What does the code do?
Well, it spins all at the same time. It goes up to hundreds of thousands.
What are the numbers on the screen right now?
Thousand.
No, let me
142.
Avery.
What does the number on the screen mean?
Well, the number on the screen is 160. 174.
What does it mean?
It means how long this has been going.
Oh, that's really cool.
No!
All right, thank you.